Good morning. How you doing? There's little Rosie eating some breakfast. Good stuff, right, Rosie? Right. Oh, we got a negative 25 below wind chill this morning. Look at those frosty windows. Quality rental right there. Old farmhouse. Beautiful reds. Got some sunshine coming up. Oh, she's frosty. Oh, yeah. When we get to it, we got stuff to do today. Show you our sweet potatoes. Look at those. They're still growing. They're growing for the spring. Oh yeah. Cuckoo clock. Oh yeah. Little canoeing adventure. Little Chacho. Little good boy. Got us a pile of wood. Oh yeah, it's cold out. Super cold out. Look at that. Got some snow on the ground, not much. Not much. Oop. Goes Mama to chiropractor. Chilly morning. Oh, she's super chilly. Put some new bird food out for the birds. They're gonna have a beautiful morning chowing down. Cat will have a great time watching them. Blue jays, sparrows, nuthatches, all those good winter birds. Need their food, gotta take care of them. We gotta fill the wood stove. That's what I love to do. Love to burn wood, heat. It's a great guy. I love watching him canoeing. Jim Baird, one alone with his brother. Good guy there up in Canada. He's a redhead just like me. Oh yeah. Good guy there. Oh, look at that. We got a Lopi wood stove. Nice and warm. Keeps the house toasty. We got a backup boiler, but it doesn't do that well. It runs non-stop because our windows suck. Our doors are old. Everything leaks. So we burn. Luckily, we get to burn wood. I love to burn wood. Grew up burning wood when I was a kid. Ooh-wee, we got a bed of coals. Get our tool. Stir it up a little. Oh yeah, stir them coals. So toasty. Oh, it's so warm. You can't beat that heat right there. We gotta grab some wood and zoom out. Keep my fingers out of the picture. Oh, that's a big chunk. Big chunks. Those are the nice ones, like birch. Oh, that's good stuff right there. I broke my neck a year and a half ago, and we had a great group from Elk River called the Hoodlums. They're a great bunch of people that help people that get injured or get sick. And they gift them stuff and help them, and they brought me about 10 cords of wood. About 40 different people came and helped. And they split wood from a guy that donated it out in Princeton, Minnesota. And then all these people, they loaded it and brought it over to my house. And they stacked it. And I was super blessed. A bunch of people I've never met. And now this is the second winter since. And I'm still burning all their wood. So grateful. Super blessed. Great people. The Hoodlums from Elk River, Minnesota. Chris and his wife. Pam. They're great people. Hey, don't eat too fast. You'll be okay. Have a great day. Hope you do good. There's little Rosie. You have a good breakfast? Good girl? Good puppy? We're staying warm? Yeah? Oh, Chachi. Here comes Chachi. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, listen to the crackling. Back to the fire. Trying to show it off real quick. Those good coals don't take long. You got good fire. Stay warm. Minnesota, northern Minnesota. Long winter. Middle of January. It's been mild, but here we go. I know we're going to get some cold. All week, chilly. Oh, it's beautiful stuff. Love burning wood. Hello, great people. Hope you're having a great day. Hope you subscribe and follow. leave a like and a comment. I'm 45, a dad of 3 boys, got a great wife. I'm super blessed, highly favored, trying to be my best, always making mistakes, trying to be a good dad, good husband, good friend, carpenter. Rosie, she's having a moment. She's having her moment. That's what I'm in pursuit of right there. Oh yeah, we need elk. We need some meat. That's what I was trying to get in shape for. Elk hunting, and I broke my neck mountain biking. Trying to be a better dad. 80 pounds down, no smoking. Oh yeah, live long and prosper. Come on, you can do it. Takes work. Eat right, live right. Change your ways. Celtic Salt, Barbara O'Neill, Charles Dowding, gardening. Barbara O'Neill for health and living long and prosper. But you gotta earn it. You gotta work it. Takes work. You can do it. You can be great. You can do anything. Listen to that beautiful fire crackling. Got my background music, YouTube, watching other people on adventures. Never know what you're gonna see. Watch a little bit. It's like background noise while I am reading. Oh yeah, reading. And my journal. Gotta have your journal. Gotta capture the moments. Jim Rohn teaches you. I've had journaling for 3 years now. And all my pictures. Trying to be my best. It's a cuckoo clock. My grandma always had a cuckoo clock. She's stuck in the nursing home. Poor. I love my grandma. She's one of my favorite people in my world. She was always working hard when I was a kid, growing veggies, exercising, living right. And she's 90, and I know that's why she's still around, because she was living healthy, even after my grandpa passed away from cancer at 41. She must have really kicked it in the butt and tried to live right. That's what I'm trying to do. And we capture a little video, right, Rosie? Pretty girl. My pretty little Rosie. Yes, you are. You're a good girl. My little keeping me warm. Gotta go digging, don't you? Yup. She's my little chihuahua, my little runt. There's my old Chachi. He's a good boy, but he's getting old. He's a good boy. Good puppies. Yes, you are. I know. You're good puppies. Yes, you are. Oh, look at that. Showing off the fire, trying to make good videos for people. Close her up. Close it up. Close off the... Get our fan. That's how we do it. Amateur hour. Blows the fan in, which kicks the heat out. Man, this thing works great. It does. Old school. I got it about 15 years ago from an old timer. He pretty much gave it to me, $40. I repainted it, sanded it, painted it, got new fire brick, got new piping. Oh man, this thing is amazing. Great heat, so nice and toasty in the morning. That's how I love to do it. Sit by the fire, get yourself a cushion, sit down, grab a book, cup of coffee, have a great day. Got the birds outside. I fed them. Now my cat's all happy.
Came through in the spring and put moisture in them, and then they froze over winter, and the water never got back up that high. But if you look along the shore here, there's just large swaths of this river where obviously there was a flood maybe 2 springs ago, and the ice breakup just demolished everything along shore. It looks like it was like a cut slash almost. Because the power of the ice being
my little good kitty. Meow. There's the birds. Oh, there's my baby right there, my blue jay. Oh, I love the blue jays. Zoom in, come on. There he is. Look at that gorgeous bird. Oh, I love the blue jays. They're gonna be happy campers today because I just filled up the feeders. Oh yeah, I did. Hey, Potato, Mama got some food yesterday. Look at all that food for him. Look at all that good stuff. It's a cold winter. It's 25 below. 25 below. We're sitting in here in a toasty warm house because I burn wood. Keep it warm. Fed the birds. Look at them. Gave them that extra food. It's a beautiful day. Sun shining. Thank you, Lord. Oh, yeah. Little sparrows come in when the blue jays back away. The little birds come and get their fill. They're like, look at all this food. Oh my gosh. He's stockpiled. We'll be chowing down. It's going to be a buffet for him. My kitty's happy. My Potato's going to get her a bird. It's okay. Show you off. I know, my 7-toed cat Potato. Look at those 7 toes. Potato. Who's got a cat like that? I do. Thanks to my wife. Great wife. Oh, she's gonna have fun today. Oh, there he is. There's the beautiful blue jay. But don't move, he won't see me. If I won't move, he won't see me. Look at all that food. Always a happy camper. Look at that little wind. That's a tough bird right there. 30 below windshield last night. Last couple days. Oh, look at my cat's gonna go nuts. Oh yeah. That's good stuff. Drive the cat nuts. Good exercise for her. Keeps her awake. Feed the birds. Keep them healthy. Get them through their tough winter. Look at all those fat little birds down there. They're like, thank you, you're the best. I appreciate it. Thank you. This food's great. It's better than nothing. We get what we get. Look at that fat guy right there. Look at that fat one. He's a good one. He's scared. Scared because he's got the killer right above him. Is that good stuff, Potato?
Oh yeah. Oh, she's a big one. She's a big one.
You watch that all day. Right, Rosie? Alright. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can do it. Share with your friends. We're organic, healthy, right, Rosie? Good stuff. That's what we're about. Healthy, nutritious, delicious. Eat right, live right. One life. Be your best. You can do it. Hello. See you next time. God bless. Take care. Ooh.